Just outside the doors of the briefing room, we find Bloomberg's Tyler Kendall. What do we know about this meeting, Tyler?
Yeah, hey, Joe. So we're still waiting for additional details, but the Federal Reserve has confirmed that this was on President Trump's invitation, that the Fed Chair Jerome Powell came here to the White House today, and they said that they did not discuss expectations for monetary policy and that any future path of policy is going to be data dependent, as we often hear from the Fed Chair. And Kaylee read this quote, but it's probably worth repeating. They said that any decision will be based on, quote, careful, objective, and non-political analysis. Now, of course, President Trump has said that he has no intention of firing Jerome Powell, but ultimately we know he's been heaping on the criticism in recent weeks that he would like to see the FOMC ultimately cut rates. And even as he does pile on this criticism, of course, it comes amid his tariff plans. President Trump often says that his tariff plans will go hand in hand with lower interest rates, but they're defined by just so much uncertainty, which the administration says is strategic, but of course makes Jerome Powell's job harder as it puts him in between a rock and a hard place when it comes to inflation and any expectations of weaker growth. Now, interesting enough, we did hear from Chicago Federal Reserve Bank President Austin Goolsbee today, who said that if big tariffs could be avoided, whether that be through deals or potentially a court order, ultimately that could pave the way for the central bank to cut interest rates, giving the underlying strength of the economy and the direction of inflation.